If you are fond of going camping with your friends or family quite frequently and enjoy cooking out there, a high-quality rocket stove is what you definitely need. There are many products available to choose rocket stove, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best rocket stove from reputable brands. After much research, found these products much subsidiary for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. StarBlue Rocket Stove. Let's start with the build quality of this rocket stove. It's quite superior as it's made from low-carbon steel. Moreover, it's been painted with a high-temperature resistant paint which prevents it from rusting. Thus, it's perfect to use outdoors, and it's even quite portable as well. Talking about its size, the dimensions of this stove are 16x8x16 inches, so it's quite a decent size for a rocket stove. It's designed in a way so that you can easily assemble or disassemble it in a few simple steps. Moreover, it even comes with a carry bag, so you can easily pack it and carry it around pretty easily. To use the stove, all you need to do is collect a handful of wooden sticks and use them as fuel. Best features. Dimensions of the rocket stove are 16x8x16 inches. Made from low-carbon steel. Weighs 14 pounds. Fuel type used is wood. Comes with a 1-year-long warranty. Pros. Very sturdy. Easy to assemble. Comes with carry handles. Cons. Produces a little smoke. Number 2. Bruntmor Rocket Stove. This heavy-duty rocket stove from Bruntmor is actually quite sturdy as it's made from cast iron. The cooktop is totally detachable, so it's easy to pack into a smaller box. Moreover, the setup is quite simple too, and it converts into a full-fledged stove in under minute and offers you a large cooktop area. If we talk about its size, the stove dimensions are 13.5x13x7 inches, so you can assume that it's fairly compact as well. Thus, storing or carrying it to the campsite won't bother you much. For the fuel, you can use wood with this rocket stove, but not charcoal or any other fuels. As for the warranty, Bruntmor offers a 1-year warranty for it. Best features. Dimensions of the rocket stove are 13.5x13x7 inches. Made from cast iron. Weighs 14.7 pounds. Fuel type used is wood. Comes with a 1-year warranty. Pros. Large cooktop. Compact size. Build quality is good. Cons. Does not come with a carry bag. Number 3. EcoZoom Rocket Stove. EcoZoom is quite popular for ceramic rocket stove options, such as this one here. This rocket stove is pretty energy efficient as it offers optimal heat for cooking, while consuming less amount of fuel. Speaking of fuel, you can use both wood and charcoal in this rocket stove, which is good. On the other hand, the size of the stove is very small, and its dimensions are 10.5x10.5x10.5 inches. Therefore, we can say it's portable, and you will barely face any issues carrying it with you. Moreover, it even comes with handles on both sides that you can use to lift it. In addition, EcoZoom also offers a 1-year warranty for this rocket stove. Best features. Dimensions of the rocket stove are 10.5x10.5x10.5 inches. Made from ceramic. Weighs 12 pounds. Fuel type used is wood and charcoal. Comes with a 1-year-long warranty. Pros. Small size. Comes with carrying handles. Easy to set up. Cons. Cooking on this stove takes time. Number 4. TAFEIDA Rocket Stove. TAFEIDA is one such brand that has become so popular because of the unique and innovative design of its rocket stove. Where all other standard rocket stove options use a single inlet for air and fuel, you will notice that the TAFEIDA rocket stove comes with separate inlets for air and fuel, which makes it way more energy efficient. Moreover, thanks to the alloy steel construction, it's pretty rugged and built to last for years. As for the fuel, you can only use wood with this rocket stove, which should not be hard to find when you are out camping. In fact, the stove comes with detachable parts, so packing it into a small form factor is definitely possible. However, when fully assembled, the dimensions of the rocket stove are 14x5x22.8 inches, so it's big enough to help you cook food quickly. Best features. Dimensions of the rocket stove are 14x5x22.8 inches. Made from alloy steel. Weighs 13.02 pounds. Fuel type used is wood. Comes with a 1-year-long warranty. Pros. Has a lid on the fuel chamber. Adjustable air inlet port. Highly energy efficient. Cons. No carry bag included. Number 5. Ironclad Supply Rocket Stove. For those who are looking for a premium rocket stove, Ironclad is one of the most popular brands out there that has been offering premium stove options in the market for a long time. It's a portable stove option designed to be used outside, hence, Ironclad has left no room for complaints when it comes to its build quality. It's made from high-grade cast iron, so it's pretty solid and definitely handles well in an outdoor environment. It's a great stove option for camping as you can use both charcoal and wood as fuel to cook food using this stove. Apart from that, it's very easy to set up, and it even has handles on the sides that will help you carry it around easily. As the dimensions of this stove are just 12.5 x 12 x 9 inches, you can assume it's quite compact, so you can manage it easily. However, for its small size, its 10 pounds weight does seem noticeable at times. Best features. Dimensions of the rocket stove are 12.5 x 12 x 9 inches. Made from cast iron. Weighs 10 pounds. Fuel type used is wood and charcoal. Comes with a 1-year long warranty. Pros. Ideal for emergency situations. Robust build quality. Comes with a canvas carry bag. Cons. Feels slightly heavy. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.